We're doing pipe bursting on this job, but on this particular thing I will show you mission bend, what's problem here and how it's work. This is the just regular rubber band, and they create a huge offset. You cannot see right now in the video. We will make a cut and show you inside what's issue it's created. This is the problem what happened when you use rubber band. It looks like good, no problem, right? But when I turn it like this, you can see offset. Whereas this pipe and this pipe 1 inch below than this one. It's that much different gap when you use rubber coupling. And no matter what you do, it's always going to be like that. It's 100% legal by the book and plumbing code here in California, but it's created a problem and we're replacing them a lot. And when you look at inside, this is your ABS pipe and they hit, and my camera hit over here and I cannot jump over. Right now I move it and lift it and it's a little bit better, but originally it's way worse how they go and stay in over here. And this is when your water flow going over here, they hit this step and they start collecting more and more the debris in the pipe and creating the clog. And this is offset, creating the clog when flow going downhill. Where flow coming from cast iron pipe to the ABS, it's just waterfall drop down, not big difference. It can break the coupling and the roots will grow in. This is the problem, but it's not going to be create the flow issue. But when flow going this way from ABS to cast iron and create the offset, they hit the steps and they start collecting the toilet paper and feces, collecting until it's completely clogged up and create a lot of issue. You cannot run camera and inspection the line, and never use rubber coupling, only strong bend or special ABS to cast iron fittings. This is the cast iron pipe and how they looks. And when you run camera inside, what you see, it's only build-ups over here, build-ups on the walls, and you don't see the actual pipe. When we cut pipe like right now, you can see for pipe is dead and is only bone left over here, like 1/16, and this is a dead pipe, and above is just build-ups. You will see corrosion here. Here's a dead pipe, here's the almost dead pipe, top almost dead, like a little bit left, bone left a little bit. And this is a good pipe for lining because you save the pipe, no more moisture going to be get inside, and they're going to be protected for the years and years and years.